Number one, create an education, certification, and experience framework. As in life, you need to know where you've been in your career before you can know where you're going. In this way, you can chart a 5-year plan or roadmap for career development and where you want to go. The most effective way to create this plan is to develop what I call an education, certification, and experience ECE framework, which ultimately offers that big picture view. Follow the example using the spreadsheet with the years in the left column. Moving right from there, you'll have a column for education, one for certifications you earn, and a third column titled experience to record the milestones you hit. Think salary increases and title changes. After logging your accomplishments to date, add 5 additional rows for the next 5 years of progress and leave them blank. Now, once you've logged pretty much everything below that you've accomplished in your life, everything from high school all the way up to maybe your associate's degree, maybe you've got an A+ certification, maybe you worked in retail, maybe you worked on a help desk. After you have all that mapped out in one central view, take a step back and look at it. Now that you can see your career in its entirety, what do you see? Where have you succeeded? Where can you grow? Creating an ECE framework will assist you in visualizing your success. It will guide you in logging, tracking, and forecasting your progress through your career development plan, which helps you maintain momentum. Having a way to visually track your progress will keep you accountable too. If you can see what you're doing, you can immediately understand what you're lacking, where the gaps are, and what improvements you can make. This framework can also help you realize what you're doing right and encourage you to maintain good habits. So this is my actual ECE framework right here, if you guys can see it. So I actually started this, I started this pretty much back in 2011 when I wanted to start looking at, hey, what have I accomplished today? Where am I going? So I actually started, if you all look all the way down here on row 33, in 1998, I graduated from high school and I had a little bit of retail experience. And then I went to Hill College and I got my certified electronics technician certificate, and also had a little bit of temp work, worked in a legal office, a little bit of electronics work. I used to build power cables for a hydraulic drilling company, a few things like that. And then after that, I got my associate's degree in computer science. I joined the military, went to the basic training, and then I actually became a signal support specialist. That was actually a job I had in the military. And as you can see, starting from the top here, we have the years themselves. We have my education column, we have my certification column, and my experience column. And I've charted every single year of my career. Now, you see how that makes it easy? And we're going to talk about, the goal of it, right? But you see how every year I went to a training course here, Blue Force Tracker course, and then I got a promotion to Sergeant E5 here, and then I got a CCNA certification here, and then I was a Satellite Operations Center admin here. I was help desk there, a lead there, ITIL certification, project management, CISSP, NOC manager here. You see how every year I accomplished a different goal. And that's what you want to do. That's how you build momentum in your career, essentially. All right. And in the description below, I'm actually going to put a link to my website. If you guys actually go to my website, you guys will find a blank copy of the ECE framework on my website as a freebie. So that way you'll be able to download an ECE framework and create one for yourself. And, I'm going to stop sharing for a quick second. Maybe you want to add a column for skills, or take my worksheet and then maybe expand on it and tailor it for your best use. And I think that's an excellent way to use it. All right, let's go ahead and share screen again.